Hello everyone, this is Rideeeeee and welcome to my channel. So today is Sunday and it's about to 6:30 in the morning and I am standing in my parking lot. So today I am planning to go to Bhivpuri. Yes, I mean it's a monsoon and if I am not wrong, the Bhivpuri place is very famous in monsoon for the waterfall only, and I'm standing in front of my Duke, yeah, my beautiful bike. Yeah, it's looking so beautiful and sexy too. And this is my new Rhinox tank bag, non-metallic tank bag. I will share my experience how the bag exactly is, and that's it. So guys, I want to say sorry to all of you because I am not posting any video from last 15 days. Yeah, 15 days only. Yeah, the problem is like that. It is raining very heavily and my parents are not allowing me to ride, and they just took my keys. So what will I do? Means I think I am having four set of keys. Yeah, means two keys are given by the showroom only, and afterwards I made it another two duplicate keys for safety reasons. And that time they charged me somewhere around two keys 1500. Yeah, it is a code number key, so 1500 for two keys. It is okay. I don't know if anyone got it less than that, then please comment down below, so I will come to know that मेरे को गधा बनाया, उल्लू बनाया, sorry. Right now I am at Vashi Old Bridge. Yes, you can see the Vashi New Bridge on my right side, and my route to Bhivpuri will be from Mumbai to Vashi, then Panvel. Then from Panvel I will took the NH4, which I think after Rasaini there will be a left turn towards the Karjat, and after Karjat I don't know the exactly, so I will totally depend upon Google. Yes, Google Baba ki jai ho. Wow, I mean I just love the road, love this road. This place is looking so beautiful. Guys, please tell me whether you are like this place or not. Please comment down below, so I will come to know that whether you like it or not. And let's talk about Bhivpuri. So Bhivpuri is not that much far away from Mumbai. Yeah, just 2 days back I just searching Bhivpuri in Google Maps. So according to Google, it's saying only somewhere around 86 or 90 kilometers, not more than 100 kilometers, but it is somewhere around 86 kilometers. Yeah, means hardly 2 to 2.5 hours. So wow.
Now it's time to say goodbye, my friends, but I promise you that I will be back with new and exciting video. Till now, just stay tuned my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, then do comment and please leave. This is Riding Star ID signing off. Bye bye, take care, and always remember, ride safe.